Hello friends, today I am going to show you how to make this crochet little heart. In this pattern I am using acrylic yarn. This is a 4-ply yarn and one 2.5 mm crochet hook. Let us start. Make slip knot. And make 6 foundation chains. Then I am making the treble crochet, so wrap the yarn over your hook in 2 times and go to the 4th chain from your hook. This is the 4th chain and make 4 treble crochet. First 4 chain count as a first treble crochet and 3 more treble crochet in the same stitch. And then I am going to the next stitch and make 2 double crochet. Then I am going to the last stitch and make only 2 single crochet and then make 1 picot. So make 1 chain and go to the second stitch and make 1 single crochet. And then turn it and go to the same space here to make 2 single crochet. Now you make 2 double crochet in the next stitch. And then making the treble crochet, so go to the next stitch, insert your hook in the next stitch and make 3 treble crochet and 2 chain and go to the same stitch and make 1 slip stitch. And cut the yarn and make 1 last slip stitch. Now I am making the slip stitch in the middle of this hat. turn it and make simple slip stitch in the middle of your heart. This is a very simple pattern of the crochet mini heart. You can make it in 1 or 2 minutes. And thanks for watching my videos, and please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.